In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech Shifter to Moza R5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Logitech Shifter, the main difficulty is that it can only be connected alongside other Logitech peripherals. However, there is a way to bypass this and use a Logitech Shifter in conjunction with a Moza steering wheel. To do this, you will have to purchase an adapter. If you have the full Logitech kit, you could theoretically connect the Logitech wheel and the shifter and not use the wheel, but this might be uncomfortable. So essentially you have the entirety of the Logitech kit connected, but you only use the shifter, and then you connect the Moza wheel and you use that instead of the wheel attached to this shifter. But if you don't want to go through all of that trouble, then you need to look for one of these shifter adapters. Lal Botnar Electronics has one available on their website. As you can see at the moment, it is on sale, but usually it goes for $35, and it works for these Logitech wheels, so the G25, G27, G29, and G920 that should have the shifter. So as you can see, you can turn the shifter from these wheels into a standalone USB device. It is extremely simple. You just plug it into your PC in conjunction with the shifter. But you can also find these adapters available in places like Amazon, and even though they don't mention the Moza R5 here, it is going to work. And even if you have other different wheel models, it should also work flawlessly. So this will transform your Logitech shifter into a standalone device to be used in conjunction with different steering wheels. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.